In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unhide hidden pages in Canva. If you've ever been working on a Canva design and suddenly noticed that one of your pages has disappeared, or you see a little eye icon with a line through it, that means the page has been hidden. Hidden pages are still part of your design, but they won't show up when you download or present your work, so it's important to know how to bring them back when you need them. First, make sure you have your design open in Canva. In the main workspace, you'll see your pages listed either down the side or along the bottom, depending on your layout. Look carefully at those page thumbnails. A hidden page will usually look slightly dimmed, or have an eye icon that looks crossed out or inactive. To unhide a page using the eye icon, hover your mouse over the page thumbnail. You should see a small eye icon appear above or on the page. When a page is hidden, this eye icon will look like it has a slash through it. To unhide the page, simply click that eye icon once. The slash should disappear, the page thumbnail should return to normal brightness, and that page is now visible again in your design and in your exports. There's also another way to manage hidden pages using the right-click menu, which can feel more natural if you're already used to right-clicking for options. Move your cursor over the page you want to unhide and right-click on the page thumbnail. A menu will appear with several options. In that list, look for the option related to hiding or unhiding the page. If the page is currently hidden, clicking this option will unhide it. If the page is visible, the same option is used to hide it again. So, to recap the idea behind it, clicking on the eye icon above the page lets you quickly toggle visibility on and off, and right-clicking on the page gives you a menu where you can choose the hide or unhide option. You're not creating or deleting anything. You're simply changing whether that page shows up in your final download, presentation, or preview. Once you've finished unhiding the pages you need, you can scroll through your design to make sure everything appears in the correct order and that all the pages you want to share are now visible. This way, your final design will